relationship between us and XWP across every project that we've worked on. It's never felt like we were trying to achieve different things or working at different levels or any of that. It felt like a true partnership, and that's something that I really value, and I know my teams do as well. I think anything that involves adding new features or making sure that we don't lose functionality when we do a migration, particularly when it comes to an acquisition, and improving speed adds such value to our team. And those two things are things that have stuck with us, and we've taken and we've applied at other places as well, which is of huge benefit. Supportive, like a hug.